Can I change back to English after switching to Spanish on Hulu?
Hello everyone. Are you a Hulu user who has switched your language to Spanish but now want to change it back to English? Don't worry. In this video, we're going to guide you through the steps to easily switch back your Hulu interface to English.
Understanding the language settings in Hulu.
First, it's important to know that Hulu allows its users to change the language of the interface. This means you can navigate Hulu's menu, categories, and settings in your preferred language, which is particularly useful if you're more comfortable with a language other than English. But sometimes, you may need to switch back to the original language, and you might not know how. Can you change back to English after switching to Spanish on Hulu? Yes, absolutely. Here's how to do it.
Steps to change language to English on Hulu.
Step 1. Launch Hulu and sign in to your account. Step 2. Navigate to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see your profile name. Step 3. Click on your profile name to open a drop-down menu. Select Account from this menu. Step 4. In your account settings, you'll find the Language option. This is where Hulu lets you change the interface language. Step 5. Click on the Language option, and a list of languages will appear. Step 6. From the list of languages, select English to change your interface language back to English. And that's it. You've now changed your Hulu language settings back to English.
Things to remember.
While switching back to English on Hulu is straightforward, there are a few things to remember. The change in language will affect only the interface language, not the language of the movies or shows you're watching. If you switch to a language you don't understand and can't navigate back, you might need to use a translation tool to help guide you back to the language settings. Switching your Hulu interface back to English after changing it to Spanish is simple and straightforward. We hope this video guide has been helpful. Enjoy your Hulu experience in the language you're most comfortable with. If you have any other questions or need further help, feel free to drop a comment. Happy streaming!